Hey everybody, today I'm making some frames for a 12 by 12 inch mirror using free pallet wood. I know this isn't too exciting of a build, but I am going to some craft shows and I needed to batch some items out. Once I had those cut, I moved my fence over to cut them to 1.5 inches wide. I didn't cut the outside edge of the pieces because I wanted to have the weathered look on the outside of the frame. The material was 5/8 of an inch thick, so I adjusted my Craig drill bit and pocket hole jig accordingly. Before I drilled into the material, I made sure that my drill bit was set correctly and not hitting the bottom of the jig. I then drilled pocket holes into the ends of the shorter pieces. When clamping the pieces together, you want to make sure you have moderate clamping pressure from the sides and the top of the piece. This will help ensure that you have a tight joint before securing the pieces with a pocket screw. Once everything dried, I applied a few coats of Danish oil and a few coats of spray lacquer. Once the lacquer dried, I secured the mirror with a 1/8 of an inch mirror mounting clip. These are the same type of clips you would use to secure a mirror to a wall. And I just made sure there was an even gap all the way around, pre-drilled the holes, and attached the clips with a number 6 3/4 inch wood screw. Well, I know this wasn't a super exciting video, but I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. I am into this build for around $5, and I plan on selling this at craft fairs for around $25 to $30. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those at the bottom. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you next time.